I know where you guys are going. Alright, good morning. Welcome back. We are out here early in this cold weather. Woo! What are we doing today? Today we are gonna go to, what's that one little thing called? Caffeine and Octane. That's right, we're gonna be up here in Kennesaw today, checking out Caffeine and Octane. This is actually a first time for me going to one of these things. It's obviously a car thing. It's mainly for cars, but hey, I love cars too. So it'd be good to go and see if they got any some high-end exotics. Maybe some bikes will show up. Maybe we'll have some really nice bikes show up. Maybe. But I got Beyonce out here, and we're gonna go check it out here in a little bit. Waiting on this one guy to show up. If his bike hasn't changed, I believe he rides a GSX-S 750, the Susie's. So he said he's about like 10. He'll be like 10 minutes or something like that. But hey, we're gonna chill out here. I got here a little early. No traffic. That's what happens when there's no traffic in Atlanta. You can actually get places in a decent time when there's no traffic, especially on something like this. So yes sir. But like I said, we'll be back in a little bit once we show up to the spot. Alright, real quick, it's kind of cold still. Thank you, Beyonce. Let's go. Alright, my man Philip showed up. There he is. Woo! Yes sir, he showed up. Oh no, go ahead. I'm talking to myself. Then showed up, and then here we go, man. His bike is loud. But whose bike isn't loud over mine, man? Man, I need an exhaust bad on my bike. Get me to 1,000 subs and I will get an exhaust system. We got a lot of cops rolling out today too, because they know that there's the event going on today. So but man, whew, it feels good to ride, but dang dude, I know I'm gonna be tired later. I know some of y'all know my schedule, man. I ain't even gonna say it. It's already too much, dude.
I mean, it's just a bunch of parked cars.
Yeah.
Where to park at?
Yep.
Somebody said it's over in front of Belk, so I guess it's...
Maybe over there by the flags and stuff over there.
Yeah, you want to ride up over that way?
Yeah, let's go, man. We'll park as close as we can. We're on motorcycles, man.
I know, right?
Screw that, dude.
There's usually a big spot where there's at least a group of bikes we can probably park next to.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, you can lead off. I'll follow you.
Okay. You want to keep going all that way? Say again? Ooh, shoot. We done showed up. There's a lot of people here today, dude. There's a lot of people here, man.
Now, my buddy's probably over with the Subarus.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We saw him over there.
Okay.
I called him, he didn't answer them.
Oh, yeah. He's probably busy doing his thing, man. All right, we're all set to go. All done here with the caffeine and octane. So let's go home and get some sleep.